Hey, good morning. I'm on a job today and we are sawing up some oak logs, red oak logs. We're making some beams, 2x8 beams for a gentleman, and got the logs kind of queued up here, just a handful. And yep, so it is nice and toasty today. It's going to be 100 degrees. I don't know what the heat index is going to be, but it is nice and warm already, and so we're gonna get after it. And I got my generator and my big fan back here to hopefully relieve some of the heat today. But anyway, hang out with us today. We're gonna saw some logs on this hot, sunny summer day, and then when I get done, I'm probably gonna go jump in a swimming pool. So hang out with us and saw some logs. What a day, man. We just finished up sawing these couple logs up for this customer, and we made some 2x8s, and I got a whole lot of scrap and a whole lot of sawdust. So man, it is so hot, but that's okay. I'm gonna go jump in a swimming pool. Got a small mountain of sawdust there, and what I did with these is I actually took some scrap and just kind of covered them up. But there's the pile. We made about 20 2x8s, 2x8x10s. They're actually a little bigger than a 2x8. They're more like 2 1/4. They're 9/4 is what we call in woodworking world. So they're 9/4 by 8, and they're 10 feet long. So some nice sized boards, nice sized beams, really is what they are. And I had a little bit of extra stuff over here, some scrap. So, but yeah, man, it's been a good day, and it's time to shut this thing down and get in some air condition or go jump in the pool. Come on, saw some logs with us. We're gonna do it again probably here in the next couple days.